Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a simple, free, and legit way to earn money online, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about Swagbucks, one of the most trusted and beginner-friendly platforms to make money online in 2025. Let's walk through exactly how it works, how much you can realistically earn, and how to get started today. Green circle. What is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a free rewards program that lets you earn points, called SB, for doing everyday online tasks. You can redeem these points for PayPal cash or gift cards to popular stores like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and more. The best part, no experience needed, and you can do it all from your phone or computer. Green circle. Step 1. Signing up. Getting started is easy. Just go to swagbucks.com or download the app from your app store. Create an account using your email or sign in with Google or Apple. Once you're in, you'll usually get a bonus, up to $10, just for signing up and completing your first task. Green circle. Step 2. Earning points, SB. There are several ways to earn points on Swagbucks. Here are the most popular ones. Checkmark online surveys. You'll get short surveys where companies ask for your opinion. Each completed survey gives you SB, usually between 50 and 300 SB depending on length and topic. It's one of the fastest ways to earn. Checkmark watch videos. Swagbucks has a video section where you can earn points for watching short clips. Topics range from news to entertainment to product reviews. You can even let them play in the background while you do something else. Checkmark daily tasks. There are daily polls, quizzes, and simple offers you can complete, like installing apps or trying free trials. Each one adds a few more points to your account. Checkmark search the web. Use the Swagbucks search engine instead of Google. When you search, you're randomly awarded SB. It's effortless, and you earn just for doing what you already do online. Checkmark online shopping. If you shop online, this one's a bonus. Go through the Swagbucks portal before shopping at places like Amazon, Walmart, or eBay. You'll earn cashback in the form of SB just for shopping through their link. Checkmark referrals. Invite your friends using your referral link. When they sign up, you both get bonuses. Plus, you earn 10% of their lifetime earnings, completely passive income. Green circle. How much can you make? This depends on how active you are. If you log in daily and complete a mix of surveys, offers, and shopping, you can earn around $50 to $200 a month. Some power users even go higher, but it takes time and consistency. Green circle. How to cash out. Once you've earned enough SB, you can redeem them. Here's how. 1,000 sulfur monoboride equals $10. Choose from gift cards, Amazon, Google Play, Target, etc. Or get cash via PayPal, no fees, no hidden charges. And sometimes, Swagbucks offers discounted gift cards, so you get even more value for fewer points. Bullseye. Final thoughts. Swagbucks won't make you rich overnight, but it's one of the most legit and flexible ways to earn money online without spending a dime. Use it in your spare time, during your commute, while watching TV, or on your lunch break, and you'll see how quickly the points add up. If you're ready to start earning, I've dropped the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments how much you've earned from Swagbucks. Until next time, stay smart, stay consistent, and keep earning.